గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇవాళ మన టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే స్ట్రెస్ స్ట్రెయిన్ కర్వ్ అండ్ హుక్స్ లా. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ స్ట్రెస్ స్ట్రెయిన్ కర్వ్స్. వెన్ ఎ బార్ ఆర్ స్పెసిమన్ ఈ సబ్జెక్టెడ్ టు ఎ గ్రాడ్యువలీ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ axial tensile load, the stresses and strains can be found out for number of loading conditions, and the curve is plotted up to a point at which the specimen fails. That is known as stress strain curve. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే బ్రాడ్లీ స్పీకింగ్ we have two types of stress strain curves. One is for ductile materials and another one is brittle materials. Here see, curve is plotted between stress and strain curve. See here, it's a, one is a straight line, straight up to point elastic limit. So it is, see, first is the limit of proportionality, a straight point, straight line. So next is again strain, again stress is increasing, so up to point A, that is yield point, that is breaking strength, okay na, that is upper yield point. And next again stress is decreasing, so here see, at point B, that is lower yield point. At next is again strain is increasing, again stress also is increasing up to the point ultimate point. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఫర్దర్ లోడింగ్, సో ఫర్దర్ లోడింగ్ సి అట్ ద పాయింట్ అల్టిమేట్ పాయింట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ బ్రేకింగ్ పాయింట్ అప్ టు ద డి, దట్ ఈస్ బ్రేకింగ్ పాయింట్. ఫెయిల్యూర్ అకర్స్, ఇట్ అండర్గోస్ ప్లాస్టిక్ డిఫార్మేషన్ and it undergoes up to the breaking point. Next is smaller brittle materials, smaller elongation before fracture occurs. Smaller elongation before fracture occurs. See here, stress is increasing and strain also is increasing up to the loading, when the loading is increasing. So here see, breaking point occurs. So next it is the stress strain curve. So here see, percentage increase in length, L dash minus L by L. L dash means increasing length. Next is percentage increase in area, A minus A dash into 100. It is, next is Hooke's law. Hooke's law is stress is directly proportional to strain. Here see, stress is directly proportional to strain. Strain is known as epsilon and stress is sigma. So here see, design stress and stress strain curve and a secant modulus line. It says that up to certain limit stress is directly proportional to strain. The limit up to which Hooke's law is obeyed, the limit up to which Hooke's law is obeyed is called limit of proportionality. Okay, this law, this Hooke's law is applied to, law applies to all stresses, normal, shear. Okay, next stress is equal to proportionality constant into strain. Proportionality constant is denotes by capital E into strain. Capital E means, it is also known as Young's modulus into strain. G is bulk modulus. No, G is not bulk modulus. G is modulus of rigidity. Shearing stress by shearing strain. See next, it is a formula based on stress strain curve. Okay. See, a specimen of a material having original diameter equal to 13 mm and a gauge length of 50 mm is tested under tension. The final diameter is being 9 mm at fracture and the gauge length at a fracture is 70 mm. During testing, it is found that yielding occurs at a load of 35 kilonewtons, lower yield point, and the maximum load that the specimen can take is 60 kilonewtons. 60 kilonewtons, that is ultimate load. The specimen fractures or breaks under a load of 30 kilonewtons. Okay, find yield strength, ultimate tensile strength, breaking strength, percentage elongation, percentage reduction in area, Young's modulus if load corresponding to any point on the linear portion of stress strain or load extension curve is 20 kilonewtons corresponding to any an extension of 0.0315 meters. So next we have to find out the first main point is we have to find out the area. Area is equal to pi by 4 d square. So it is 13. Diameter is 13. Okay. So we have to convert 13 mm. We have to convert it to meters. 13 by 1000 whole square. That is equal to 0.1325 into 10 power minus 3 meter square. Next is yield strength. Yield strength, that is equals to load. Load by area. 35 into 10 cube by 0.1325 into 10 power minus 3. That is 264 megapascal. See there, 35 kilonewtons. Okay, next is ultimate strength. That is equals to ultimate load by original area. Ultimate load, what is the ultimate load? 60 kilonewton. 60 into 10 cube by area. We got 452 megapascals. We got 452 megapascals. And next is breaking strength. Breaking load by original area. Breaking load 30 into 10 cube by area. That is equal to 226 megapascals. Okay, understand? I think you are better understanding. Next is percentage elongation. See, percentage elongation. Here what we are having? 70 minus C. Pi by 4 d square minus pi by 4 d square by area square. That is percentage reduction in area. Next is Young's modulus. Stress by strain. Stress is equal to load by area. Strain is equals to 0.